try. First, let's assemble a timber loader. Ready. Let's fuel the timber loader. Pump. Don't stop. This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. We need to wash the timber loader. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Hooray! Assemble the dressing. Don't stop. Let's load the empty bags onto the dressing. Let's load the necessary items into the machine. Keep up the good work. Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. Let's wash the dressing. Keep it up. Let's assemble the minecart. That's all. Let's load the materials into the minecart. Hooray! We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Amazing! Let's assemble a garbage car. We did it! And now let's attach sticker signs to the garbage car. Ready. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's wash the garbage car. Don't stop. Let's assemble the flat car. Amazing! Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. We did it! Let's repair the railroad station. We need to wash the flat car. Ready. Assemble the crane with cargo bed. Amazing! Now let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. Let's install new roof and windows. We need to wash the crane with cargo bed. Amazing! Assemble the bucket lift. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the bucket lift. Press the pump. We did it! Let's install the station clock. Now let's wash the bucket lift. That's all.